The first thing we are going to need is our donut dough. Place 240 ml of semi-skimmed milk in a measuring jug and heat this for around 40 seconds before placing 1 tablespoon of dried active yeast over the top and 1 teaspoon of caster sugar before giving it a good, quick mix. The sugar acts like a food for yeast, allowing the yeast to proof slightly quicker and increase the activity of the yeast. Leave this for around 10 minutes or until bubbles or foam begin to form on the surface of a warm mixture. Taking 500 grams of plain flour, which has been mixed with 50 grams of caster sugar and a pinch of salt, we add 2 large eggs, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally our yeast mixture. You could use a mixer with dough attachment for the next step. However, I do prefer to knead and mix by hand. This way I get a feel for the dough. Initially, when mixed, this is going to seem too wet. Please resist the urge to add flour. This is perfect as it is. Keep moving the dough rapidly. I use a repeated scoop-like motion, allowing the flour to strengthen and the gluten strands in the dough to form. It is these strands that trap the air and allow the dough to rise. Eventually, after a painful arm, you'll have a smooth looking dough that is still quite sticky to touch. Cover this and allow to proof in a warm environment until the dough has doubled in size. Empty the proved dough onto a floured surface. Don't worry so much about knocking the air out, as we're going to be rolling this to around 1.5 centimeter thickness. Take a large cookie cutter, use a cream egg to predict the size you're going to need, and cut out circles of the donut dough. Now I only used 9 cream eggs and then had enough for another 10 or so donuts. These could be filled with other fillings, or alternatively, if you are following this recipe, use more cream eggs. Wrap each cream egg in a circle of dough and roll gently in each hand to form a ball shape, ensuring the edges are carefully sealed. Cover these and allow to rest for another 1 hour. Now the fluctuating temperature in my kitchen meant this second rise was not that good. However, they did turn out perfectly fine. The dough was around 30% bigger after the second proof. To cook, we preheat a deep fat fryer to around 160 degrees C and gently fry these for around 5 minutes, turning halfway through. When cooked, remove and drain excess oil from the donut balls onto a kitchen towel before rolling the donuts in either caster sugar like myself or a mixture of caster sugar and cinnamon for a more traditional flavour. Serve with a mellow vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. This helps to offset the incredible sweetness of this dish. And there you have it, the best donut recipe ever, Cadbury's Creme Egg stuffed donuts. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and join us on our journey to 1000 subscribers. Also, make sure you hit the notification button to see more weekly videos from myself. Stay healthy and see you next episode. Goodbye.